What you say?
He said he got long hair and he can move to the bushes. So he could.
He said, fuck me, nigga, fuck you. Yeah, man, fuck out of here. I seen Joe Budden wearing that motherfucking Def Jam, man. Fuck out of here. Huh? Alright, I'm gonna fry him up. I don't know, Lamont, little ass laughing over there. Shit, nigga, you can get it too, nigga.
Motherfuckers on a blocking side. You hear like a block in you.
Someone like on Call of Duty or something?
Yeah.
Call Shalea, dog. Just do it, man. What the hell? You been saying it for like the last week, man. Get out of here.
Come on, dog. Play the game, man.
Lamar, you realize you been saying you gonna call Shalea each different day for like a week now. I know that nigga been like, I'm gonna call Shalea for like a week, man. Damn. These some ugly ass pictures, dog. You alright, man?
Fuck that little Australian. How the fuck they keep calling blocking? Oh my.
Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera.
Smile for that shit.
Just mad cause you can't afford it, nigga. Fuck out of here,
I got a
nigga.
camera that costs $200 in my room right now.
I don't give a
on your bed.